So as I activate the motor here above me, look at the telescope and you will now notice it moving. As the telescope begins to elevate, the counterweight on the opposing side begins to depress. So one side goes up, the other side goes down. In this case, it's moving away from you, pointing successively farther towards the western sky. You're standing on the east side of the building, facing to the west. I'm facing you to the east. So as the telescope lifts up, the counterweight drops down. Now, with sufficient elevation achieved here, you'll notice there's another circular metal plate that I'm pointing to here. This is the series of bearings for another internal axle right here called the declination axis. By turning on the declination motor right up here, I can change the latitude of the telescope, or its declination as we say, and move it in this case to the north. So when you combine these two motions, north-south, declination, east-west, right ascension, the telescope can be positioned in any part of the sky that we might want to observe. But the opening that we look through to see the sky and to see the stars is actually very small. If you look over your head, you'll notice there's a big white curtain here directly above us. Let me move that curtain just to show you. That curtain right up there is called a wind curtain or wind screen. And what's behind the screen? A new car! No, just kidding. Actually, there's a 20-ton bridge crane up there. And we use that huge bridge crane to install and remove heavy things such as this 8,000-pound mirror cage that you see over your right-hand shoulder. So we turn the roof, put the crane above that structure, pick it up, and put it on the front end of the telescope. So we do these things quite often up here, every couple of weeks or so. So it's a constant, install, take off,